Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial for Science, Year 3, Unit 1, Skeletons, Muscles and Nutrition, Part 1. My name is Megan Matchford and I'm a design lead for Science, Geography, History at Art Curriculum Plus. This unit tutorial will be in two parts, during which I will walk you through the unit so you come out being confident in how to access the resources, the content of the unit and how to make any adaptations for your class. So we'll walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, and the unit sequence of learning. There are many resources available for this unit on Oxford OWL: the science progression document, the teacher subject knowledge guide, the unit planning guidance, PowerPoint slides for every lesson, pupil workbook, the ebook workbook online, additional resources to go alongside the lessons, and the pupil knowledge guide. To access the resources, log into Oxford OWL, click on Subscriptions, and the subject and year group you want. Scroll down to access the resources, and you can scroll through all the resources or use the drop-down tab to select the year group and the unit you want. And here you'll find all the resources you need to teach that unit. Here are the overall disciplinary and substantive concepts for this unit. You could pause the video here to read through them all, or you can find them in the progression document for this subject and this unit's unit planning guidance. Here's an overview of how this unit connects to other units for the prior and future learning. A bullet point list of the progression and linking facts can be found in the unit planning guide and extra information in the progression document for this subject. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. There are 6 lessons in total, which are approximately 2 hours each. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson, so pupils should be able to answer the lesson question based on their new learning at the end of each lesson. To support this new learning, at the start of each lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This also allows opportunities for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions before moving forward. Every lesson also ends with 2 exit questions, which also allows teachers to judge the understanding of pupils before moving on to the next lesson.